Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 7 force restart not working. Every time you get trouble with a frozen or unresponsive screen, a force restart will work like magic to return the device back to working order. When the iPhone 7 force restart doesn't work, you might find the phone won't do anything when you're pressing the specific buttons. If you don't know why your iPhone 7 won't let you force it to restart, we're here to help. A few factors need to be blamed. For example, wrong button presses, minor system errors, button setting conflicts, outdated iOS version, serious system malware attack, broken buttons, and so on. Now, keep watching this video and follow the steps in the order we present them to fix force restart not working on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. The correct way to force restart an iPhone 7. First of all, it's worth spending 1 minute to check if you press the right button in the correct way to perform a forced restart. Take out the phone case if any, make sure both volume button and power button are not sunk down, and clean the buttons if they are dirty. When you're ready, take your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold both the volume down and power keys together for around 15 seconds. Just ignore it if the power off slider shows up. When the Apple logo appears, let go of both buttons and wait for the screen to boot up. Step 2. Stop Siri from opening with side button. You've known that the power button is necessary for a force restart. As it also can be used to activate Siri, there's a possibility that this settings render conflicts with the restart procedure. If you suspect that iPhone 7 won't force restart due to this, just head to toggle off this feature. Here's how to do that. Go to Settings. Find Siri and search and tap it. Locate the Press Home for Siri option and tap the toggle to off status. Now, press the volume down button and power button together to see if the force restart works this time. Step 3. Update iPhone 7 to its latest iOS version. It's likely that you can't force a restart on iPhone 7 because its operating system is outdated. Old iOS could cause sluggish system response and result in slower performance. If you can still access the device, it's easy for you to upgrade the phone to its compatible latest iOS. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Find and tap Software Update. Wait for the device to search and check if a recent update is available. If an update is available, just follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest iOS into your iPhone 7 to fix force restart not working issues. Be sure to plug the device into a charger and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure the update process goes well. If the iPhone 7 force reboot not working problem is because the screen is completely freezing, then move to the next step. Step 4. Update or restore iPhone 7 in recovery mode. Recovery mode is an official troubleshooting status for all iPhone models including your iPhone 7 to fix any potential system issues. By entering recovery mode using a computer, your device will be given two troubleshooting options. One is to update the iOS, and the other is to restore the phone to its factory defaults. It works even when force restart doesn't work on iPhone 7 that freezes up. Now, follow the instructions below to try this method. Get a Windows or Mac OS computer. Download, install and open Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder. All these applications are designated by Apple to do an update or restore on your phone. Next, connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to the computer. Press and hold the volume down and power button together. The phone will turn off, show an Apple logo, and then pop up a recovery mode screen with a laptop and cable. Release both buttons, keep the phone connected to the computer, and look at the application window. There should be a dialog box showing up with Update and Restore buttons. Click Update and complete other on-screen instructions first to see if it works to fix iPhone 7 force restart not working. The whole process might take at least 1 hour to finish, so wait patiently. Once it's done and your phone boots up, press the specific buttons to see if the force restart works now. If not, just repeat the whole process to do a restore. As a restore will delete everything on your device, check available backups first before trying. Step 5. Repair broken buttons or other hardware components. Now, you've ruled out the common software-related errors. If force restarting still fails to work, take your phone to an authorized Apple store with a Genius bar. Elaborate the details of how you can't force restart an iPhone 7 to the employees there. Then, they will help examine the hardware and determine what's wrong with the device. That's all for how to fix iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus force restart not working. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.